Hello everyone, it's Al from gmailfiend once again. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to delete a contact in Gmail. So what you have to do is, of course, access your Gmail account first and go to your main inbox. And over here, you can see on this web page your own icon. So below that, there are 4 other icons. So the first would be the calendar, the second one says keep, the third one would be your tasks, and lastly you have contacts. So once you click contacts, then this sidebar will show up, and what you have to do is to just simply click on the contact itself and you will be redirected to this one. So after that, you can just refer to this trash can icon over here and click delete from contacts, move to trash. And yes, that's it. As you can see, the contact has been deleted from your list. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you tune in for more.